Oh, was I the one that ran out of internet? What?
That is some massively moving fast rain curtain in front of me. This is why I couldn't stop, monkey. Shit, this is fucking bad. I gotta get out of here, monkey. Fucking bad, very bad. Very fucking bad. Shit, monkey. Out of this now. Shit. I just want out of it. Just want out now. Fucking don't be going this way, you stupid people. I think I'm okay.
What?
I don't know what the fuck's going on. There might be a massive tornado getting ready to form behind me. I have no fucking clue. The fucking wind is just ripping north.
Yep. Tornado warning just east Council Road.
Yeah, that's where I'm at. Dude, I literally just drove through the fucking tornado. I'm not fucking shitting you. I just drove through.